DC-powered portable hydraulic lifts are user-friendly, providing reliable, powerful lifting when moving and positioning loads. They include a removable platform for operations requiring forks. The units roll easily on 2 rigid and 2 swivel Polyon steel casters and include a foot-operated brake. The DC-powered Hefty Lift with attachment options is not for use with pallets. The unit is made with all-welded steel construction with chrome platform and uprights. Each fork is 4.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches high. The fork length is the same as the platform length. The overall fork width is 22 inches. Choose between a stainless steel model and the standard unit. Both have a capacity of 880 pounds. The counterbalance unit has a 550 pound capacity. Units run off of one 12-volt battery. The dashboard is complete with a key, lower lift controls, and battery level gauge and battery charger. Variety of attachments available include single spindle, double spindle, roller platform, ball transfer platform, V-block platform, rubber roller, V-shaped fork, stainless steel platform, and fork hook. The DC-powered Hefty Lift with attachment options is reliable and powerful and can be used for any type of warehouse or manufacturing job.